Problem number 33, a cylindrical diameter 50 mm, axis length 60 mm, and it is cut by two planes which are 45 degree from either side. It is a cylinder which is having 50 mm diameter and height 60 mm. It is cut by two planes on either side by 45 degree and passing through either side and draw the development. From this it has cut 45 degree on either side, and this is the development part. This part and this part will be removed from the development. Here in this construction you can take 8 division, 4 division or 12 division depending upon applications. Right, all these are construction lines, only border lines will be made dark. We will explain that with the help of sketch. Now in this problem it is having 50 mm diameter. This is the problem number 33. Right, this point is called as A1 dash. Right, this is A dash, B1 dash is visible, H is not visible, D1 dash, H1 dash, CG, C1 dash, G1 dash, DF, D1 dash, F1 dash, then last one E1 dash, and this point is also called as O1 dash. This is O dash, O1 dash, this is O dash. Here it is A dash, B dash, H dash, and then this point is called C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash, and this is E dash. So now height is having 60 mm, on either side 45 from this point. It is given in the problem. This cut section is given in the problem, and inside we should not make these lines dark because in the cylinder we will not get any dark lines. In cylinder there is no edges are there, because of that we should not make these lines dark. These are called as construction lines. All these lines are called as construction lines. Now we'll give the numbering first. Right, from this OA A1 I will take A1 A point. This is called as 1. Then go for BB1. BB1 is here, second point. Then go for CC1, third point. DD1, fourth point. EE1, fifth point. FF1, sixth point. GG1, seventh point. HH1, eighth point. So this is how you have to go: AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, EE1, FF1, GG1 and HH1. Base and top face are not cuts. Because of that I am not going for A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, G to H. When you have to go, when it is cut on bottom face or top face. There is no cut on bottom and top faces. Now we will develop this. We will extend this line. Then we'll also extend this. We'll take parallel line here. We'll be taking parallel line. And then we'll draw horizontal line which is passing through this. and then we'll divide this part by, there is a formula for the length. For cylinder it is 5 into d. For cylinder the length will be calculated by pi into d. That is 5 into d is nothing but the distance will get, d is nothing but 50. By multiplying 5 we will get distance 157.08. So we'll take length of 157 on this line. Right, on this line 157. So we'll make it, the length is total 157 I have taken, that is equal to 5 into d. D is the diameter, total length, and now 157 divided by number of parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 divided by 8. So one part is equal to 13.09. So one part is called as, now 5 into d will get 157, that is 5 into d, by d is nothing but 50 mm, 157. Now we have 8 parts, so 157.8, 157 divided by 8 will get 19.5. Each block is equal to 19.5. You can take in between 19 and 20, this point you have to take in between 19 and 20. So you can make it 8 block, right, 8 block I have made. Now I will number it: A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1 back to A1. So this is A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E, F, G, H back to A. Now we'll take the distances. First point, so it is on, all these are on A1, BB1, CC1. So I would like to draw horizontal lines directly. So on A will get first point, right. Next, fifth point will get on E directly. So 7 point it is on G, 3 and on C, 3, on Z it is 7 point, right. So G is there, C is there, on C third point, on G seventh point, and then other points will draw lines. Draw parallel to these two. Right. So second point and 8th point. Second point is on B. Second point. 8th point it is on H. Here we'll get 8th point. And then two more points, 6 and 4. Fourth point is on D. On D we'll get 4th point. And then 6th point is on F. So 6th point. So intersection you got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1. So now we got all the points only by drawing two lines. Now with freehand sketch, it is a cylinder, we don't have any edges. So with freehand sketch, we'll draw arcs. Right. Now only border will make it dark. Only borders. So this is the development, because we cannot make these lines dark because it's a cylinder. Cylinders were not having any edges. Thank you.